Hi guys, welcome to Chilli Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share an easy and super yummy vegetarian starter recipe with you all. It's Paneer Tikka which I made in the Instant Vertex Plus air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do this in an oven or in a pan as well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make Paneer Tikka in the air fryer. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. To a bowl, add thick yogurt. I have shared this Instant Pot yogurt recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. Add a pinch of turmeric. Homemade Garam Masala. I have shared a recipe link for this homemade Garam Masala in the description box below. Please do check it. Add red chilli powder. Adjust it as per your spice level. If you want, you can add few drops of red food color, but I am using Kashmiri red chilli powder. This powder is not that spicy. It gives nice natural color to the dish. Add pepper powder, cumin powder, salt as per your taste. Add dry fenugreek leaves. If you don't have fenugreek leaves, you can add finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Then add oil, preferably mustard oil. If you don't have one, you can use any oil. Add lemon juice and mix it well. Cut the paneer into big chunks so that it won't break when you skew it. You can use any kind of meat or tofu instead of paneer. Cut onions and capsicum also in the same size. You can use any colored onion and capsicum. Add the paneer, onion and capsicum and marinate it well for at least 30 minutes. The more time you marinate is the best. Skew the paneer, onion and capsicum in the skewers. If you are using wooden skewers, make sure to soak them in the water for some time to avoid burnt skewers. Preheat the air fryer for a couple of minutes at 370 Fahrenheit. Mine preheats itself, so I am just selecting the time as 10 minutes. Once the preheating is done, keep the tray inside. I am using this silicone mat just to avoid mess in my glass door. I have given the link for this in the description box below. If you want one, please do check it. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Make sure to flip the paneer in between. After 8 to 9 minutes, brush the paneer tikka with butter or oil. Cook it for the remaining minute. It's done. Look at that perfectly air-fried paneer tikka. The texture and the color are so good. Do try this paneer tikka in the air fryer. Trust me, you will love it. This tastes far better than the restaurant one. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.